Hi, we are Large Line and we are building a cabin by ourselves. In this video, we are installing the OSB planks to the second level. This is the first piece to the puzzle. The entire process took us 3 days. For now, we are living off the grid and we're using a portable generator to charge our batteries for the tools and for the camper. I really want to mention that this is not a tutorial. We are not trying to educate no one in how to build a house. We're just doing it because we want to be debt free, spend more time together, and because we don't want to live a complicated life. If anyone is inspired by us, that would be great. I have to mention that we have been inspired by other channels on YouTube, and we got the courage to do it after a long time of trying to put everything together. Now that we are working on the second level, things are complicated because everything has to be lifted up and we don't have stairs or machineries. We improvise by using a drywall hoist, and my husband had to be down, lifted up with the hoist, then he had to go by himself up again to catch it. Well, it wasn't easy, but we made it. We end up putting up like 20 OSB planks, and some of them had to be cut to the size on the first floor, which made the life a little easier. These are just few details of how things turn out. I'm very happy with the results. And this is the last piece for the puzzle. The entire subfloor on the second level is done. The last finish and touch for the first floor is to make the stairs opening, and we are gonna use a open staircase for our second floor. This is the view from our friend's front porch. They just finished their house last year in November, and the house turned great. We can't wait to finish ours. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your time. If possible, please share our videos and see us next time.